सो फ्रेंड्स, आपको इस बहुत ही प्यारे से बहुत ही खूबसूरत प्रोग्राम में मैं वेलकम करता हूं। हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही प्यारी मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल लेडी और बहुत ही क्यूट लेडी हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं हमारे इस प्रोग्राम में। इनका नाम है वीरा। बाकी वीरा हमें अपने बारे में खुद बताएंगी, वो कहाँ है, क्या करती हैं, कौन है वो। तो वीरा, most welcome in our program. We are seriously beautifully delighted to have you in our program. Thank you so much. तो वीरा प्लीज हमें बताइए, आप कहाँ हैं, क्या करती हैं आप?
Thank you, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Veera Bang from Nagpur, Maharashtra.
Wow.
I am 9 years old. I study in 4th standard at Bhavans BP Vidya Mandir Ashti, Nagpur. My aim is to fly high in the sky by becoming super awesome doctor and actress. My hobbies are to dance, sing, and modeling.
Wow. Yeah.
I am the winner of Junior Miss India Indian Cultural Round 2026 held at Pink City, Jaipur. Thank you.
Yeah, please.
And I am the winner of Miss Nagpur, Junior Miss Nagpur and Junior Miss Maharashtra. Thank you.
Thank you. तो दोस्तों, आपने जाना कि वीरा मिस जूनियर नागपुर, मिस जूनियर महाराष्ट्र की विनर हैं और अभी इन्होंने जो लेटेस्ट अवार्ड लिया। वी आर सो प्राउड ऑफ यू वीरा, वी आर सो प्राउड ऑफ यू। तो चलिए, बातचीत के लिए आई वुड जस्ट लाइक टू आस्क यू, हाउ एग्जैक्टली डिड यू फील when you won the Junior Miss India title at the national level? When did you, what exactly did you feel? I mean, you must have been very happy, but still, when you won this award, how did you feel? Please let us know.
When I won this award, I felt very grateful and blessed.
Okay. You were not having goosebumps, or you were not having sweat, or you're not anxious and nervous?
No.
Oh, beautiful. Bold lady, I must say. Thank you so much. So, friends, आपने जाना, Veera was not afraid. Veera was all bold. Veera was brave. When she won this, of course, she was extremely happy. कौन नहीं होगा दोस्तों? And of course, जब वीरा हैप्पी थी, तो जाहिर से बात है उनके पेरेंट्स भी, they were also very proud and very happy. Amazing. Beautiful, Veera. Congratulations. तो आगे बढ़ते हुए, I would just like to ask you, what was your first reaction? What was your first reaction when you came to know that your name had been announced as a winner? कैसा महसूस हुआ? What was your first reaction? Just first.
My first reaction was my heart skipped a beat.
Ooh.
I couldn't believe my ears and I was very happy at that time. I silently thanked the God.
Okay. And must have thanked your parents as well, right?
Yes.
Beautiful. दोस्तों, जाहिर सी बात है, हम जितनी भी मेहनत करते हैं, whatever way we try our level best to perform in the best way, eventually everything is there in the God's hand. We must thank them. और वीरा ने वही किया. She did the same. Amazingly beautiful, वीरा. बहुत खूब.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of you. चलिए, आगे बढ़ते हुए मुझे ये बताइए, how many girls were actually participating in this event where you won the first prize? Of course, all these girls were coming from across India. So how many girls were there?
172 girls participated in this program. It was the world's biggest girl child event happening today.
Okay. 172. That's actually a huge number. And of course, coming out to be as a winner among all these 172, talented talents is a big deal. Is a big deal,
Actually,
I must say.
Sir, there were some categories. It was like category wise,
Okay.
5 to 7, 8 to 10, 11 to 12, 13 to 14, 15 to 16. So total in all categories there were 172 girls, and I was in 8 to 10 category because I am 9 years old, and in my category there was 40 girls
40. Okay. Okay.
all across the India.
From across the India, of course. That is so amazing. So, Veera, please let us know. I mean, you just told that you won the award in the cultural, category. Am I right?
Indian cultural round, yeah.
Yeah.
Finale.
In a Indian cultural round. So, what exactly this cultural round is? What is it like? And why it is important in this competition? Cultural round. Why it is important?
Cultural round is important because it tells us that what our roots are. It reminds us that beyond beauty and talent,
Okay.
what we are.
ओके ऑलराइट दिस इज एक्सट्रीमली एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट दोस्तों ये जानना जरूरी होता है हम किसी कल्चर से आते हैं वी कैरी अवर वैल्यूज वी कैरी अवर कल्चर अलॉन्ग विद अस एंड देन वी रिप्रेजेंट दैट कल्चर टू एवरीबॉडी वीरा ने वही किया शी रिप्रेजेंटेड हर कल्चर इन द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल वे तो जाहिर सी बात है एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स एवरीबॉडी लाइक्ड इट तो अभी हम बात करेंगे वीरा से व्हाट एग्जैक्टली शी डिड तो आपने वीरा इंडियन कल्चर को रिप्रेजेंट किया मुझे ये बताइए कैसे किया व्हाट डिड यू डू ऐसा क्या किया कि बस एवरीबॉडी वाज अमेज्ड व्हाट डिड यू डू
Actually, I became goddess Kali.
Oh,
And
God.
everyone looked so beautiful. They were wearing lots of makeup, a very beautiful dress. But me, I was full black without any makeup.
okay my
And I
god
was just wearing a simple dress. That's why.
all right
And I was very confident. I was passionate about it.
दिस इज एक बार पहले बार सुनते हैं ना वीरा तो बहुत अमेजिंग लगता है हमारे जितने भी फ्रेंड्स आपको देख रहे होंगे अभी आपको सुन रहे होंगे एवरीबॉडी वुड बी एक्सट्रीमली अमेज्ड दैट यू रिप्रेजेंटेड इंडियन कल्चर बिकमिंग गॉडेस काली हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इज दैट लेकिन मैं यहां पे पूछना चाहूंगा वीरा आपने गॉडेस काली को ही क्यों चुना व्हाई डिड यू डू दैट
I choose Goddess Kali because Goddess Kali reminds us that beauty is not merely external appearance,
Okay.
but it is unstoppable force of inner strength and transformation.
वाओ
Means it tells us that in beauty pageants, it's not compulsory to be beautiful only with external appearance. We just need to be confident, passionate about the thing we are doing.
ओके और ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज सो ब्यूटिफुली एक्सप्लेन्ड आपने इतने प्यारे ढंग से डेफिनेशन बताई और उसी वजह से आपने गॉडेस काली को चूज किया दैट इज सो राइट एंड इफ इट ऑल वी गो स्लाइटली फर्दर what message goddess Kali actually give to girls and ladies and to the women of India, the world? What message goddess Kali gave?
Goddess Kali gives the message that every woman, girl, lady holds the spark of Kali within her and can rise like a fire when her dignity is challenged.
Oh,
Means when the young girls like me, some more girls are like me, Goddess Kali tells that we need to be powerful in this generation.
all right. We need to be powerful. That is so beautiful. तो दोस्तों आपने जाना कि वीरा को पता था कि गॉडेस काली का मैसेज हर फीमेल के लिए यही है कि आप बहुत स्ट्रांग हैं योर इनर बीइंग इज एक्सट्रीमली स्ट्रांग एंड यू गॉट टू हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस टू गो अहेड एंड टेक द वर्ड विद इट्स स्ट्राइड Beautiful. Veera, I must congratulate you on your courage and your thinking and your understanding of choosing Goddess Kali as a
Thank you, sir.
representation. Beautiful. So, चलिए, यहां तो बात हो गई रिप्रेजेंटेशन की कि आपने हमारे इंडियन कल्चर को किस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट किया। आपने इसके लिए क्या क्या तैयारियां की? व्हाट प्रिपरेशंस डिड यू डू? लाइक probably you might have learned dance, might have learned how to speak, might have learned how to sing. कैसे कैसे आपने इसकी प्रिपरेशन की? How did you develop your confidence?
Like when I was young, means very small, 4 years old, 3, 4 years old.
Okay.
My father taught me how to dance, how to walk, and from that time my interest developed till now.
Okay.
And then when I like I know that I knew that I was got selected for Junior Miss India cultural round. For cultural round, I started watching the videos of Goddess Kali, her aggressiveness, her confidence, and lots of things.
Wow.
And
Okay.
I developed like that.
ब्यूटिफुल। दोस्तों, आपने गौर किया वीरा क्या बता रही हैं? वीरा started preparing from a very young age. And then, of course, her father directed her, motivated her, taught her. She watched so many videos of Goddess Kali. थिंक आज की जनरेशन है ये दोस्तों, जो कि हमारे इंडियन कल्चर में बिलीव करती है, गॉडेस गॉड्स में बिलीव करते हैं. दे हैड बीन ट्राइंग टू इम्बाइब all the characteristics, traits, and the beauty of Goddess Kali in her. She had been doing that from a very early age. And that's why she won this competition. Wasn't it so simple? Amazing. Beautifully. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. वीरा, मुझे ये बताइए, who all supported you in this? आपके फादर तो थे ही थे. He was always there, standing behind you to support you. और कौन लोग थे जिन्होंने आपको सपोर्ट किया?
Like my whole family, my parents, my elder brother, Master Arnav Punk, he's in 10th. He was having his prelims, like before board exam.
Okay.
He was very cooperative. He let my parents come with me at Jaipur, and my grandparents came here with him. They also supported me a lot.
Oh.
My principal, Vandana Bisan Madam, she also supported me a lot. She allowed me to skip school for some days.
Okay.
And Ketan sir and Anshul ma'am, they helped me in my ramp walk of gown round and western round, K Modeling Academy from there.
Beautiful.
And Mrs. Parul Hengle, she designed my dress of gown round. I love her. It was very beautiful dress.
Beautiful. दोस्तों, आपने जाना कि किस तरीके से वीरा के चारों तरफ हर व्यक्ति ने उसको सपोर्ट किया. It automatically becomes extremely easy and beautiful when you start slogging for something in life, when you start aspiring for something in life. The support system starts coming in. The teachers, the parents, the friends, and so many people start coming to you to support you because they start believing in your dream. So, Veera had a dream. Veera was passionate about this competition. Veera was passionate about her, performance. And then all those support functions, all those people, they also got passionate about her passion. And they came to support her. How beautiful is that? So, Veera, please let me know when you had been preparing and when you had been appearing and when you had been performing. What was the biggest challenge you faced?
The biggest challenge I faced was the Indian cultural round, getting ready, because I sit still for 4 hours because my parents were helping me paint my whole body with black color.
Oh, okay.
And it was very cold in Jaipur.
Of course.
I was wearing sleeveless. I didn't have any jacket with that time with me.
Oh.
It was very cold there.
Of course. Let me tell you, Veera, I belong to Jaipur, so I know how cold it could be. And of course, Nagpur in these days are very, very comfortable weather. So I perfectly understand
Yeah.
that you faced so much of an issue. And of course, it was a big, big challenge. Beautiful. And if at all we go slightly more further, what exactly did you learn when you participated in this big, big event at such a small age? What did you learn?
Uh, Last year I became Miss Nagpur, followed by Miss Maharashtra,
Okay.
held at Pune. And from that time, I was very like someone that I want to go at Junior Miss India.
Okay.
So I just applied for auditions. Then I got selected. And thanks to Narendra Lodh ma'am, she's a very good mentor. She helped me a lot. And Yatan sir and Unnati ma'am and Sarabjeet sir.
Wow. Congratulations, all these teachers and mentors. Veera actually loves you. Veera actually respects you a lot. Everybody, I must congratulate you. आप सब लोगों के efforts बहुत अच्छी तरीके से percolate down हुए हैं to a extremely good performance, an extremely good award, which Veera won. एक्चुअली आप सब लोग वीरा के साथ साथ इस बधाई के पात्र है. यू ऑल आर ग्रेट पीपल. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू. तो वीरा, व्हेन दिस हैपन, यू वन दिस प्राइज, आपने अपनी सिटी के लिए, नागपुर के लिए, अपने स्टेट के लिए, महाराष्ट्र के लिए, उनके लिए, सब लोगों के लिए आपने इस कंपटीशन में परफॉर्म किया, compete किया. What exactly do you feel about your city and the state? How exactly they might have felt on your win?
I felt very proud at that moment. It was very happy moment that I belong to this city and state and they choose me as the winner. My whole city and state also would be proud at me.
Wow. Beautiful. I'm sure, I'm 100% sure your city must have been very, very proud of you and your state. And all the people out there in your city, they must be very, very proud of you. So, Veera, what message would you like to give to the girls like you, the young age ladies, the young ladies? What message would you like to give to them?
I would like to give them a message that just follow 3Ds if you want to succeed in like any field, any branch. Just follow 3Ds: determination, dedication, and discipline. I also followed these 3Ds and I succeeded in this branch. And they can also do like that.
Wow, so beautiful. So, दोस्तों आपने जाना, Veera is so humble, Veera is so cute, Veera is so down to earth that she wishes all the very best to all the girls who actually had been aspiring to compete in any competition like Veera did. So take this cue. Veera always, always inspires all of us. Veera inspires so many young ladies to perform. And like Veera performed Goddess Kali, who is fierce, who is brave, and she, Goddess Kali, when she takes the form of Veera, inspires us. Amazing. Veera, I'm delighted, I'm honored that I'm talking to you right now. Thank you so much. Please take care of yourself and keep shining like a star. Goddess Kali bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.